Hi, my friends over at Ampersand recently sent me this duo frame. I've got two of them. I got a black and a white one. I'd like to open it up and go through it with you. It's kind of cool. Let's check it out. Okay, so aside from a little bit of a mess, what I have are two brand new duo frames from Ampersand. That's it in white, and this is it in black. It's a duo frame because you can use it two different ways. This is a 9x12 opening, so I can take my 9x12 panel and attach it in there just like we normally would. Or I can take a slightly larger panel, this would be an 11x14, and we can attach it to the front so it's like a floater. Kind of a cool idea. Go over into the studio, let's get some painting done, alright? And let's see what we come up with. Alright, so I've got my 11x14 painting over here, upside down. Over here, alright, and we're going to put this into the white frame, and we are going to have it mount flush.
What's nice about the frame too is that it comes with all the instructions and hardware that you need to not only set the panel into the frame, but also to hang it on your wall, which is great.
Alright, so I've got the hook attached with the nail provided. I'm going to take my painting, find the wire in the back. We're going to hang up our artwork in our new duo frame. I think it makes for a nice, clean presentation.